Hey guys, Joker Miner here. Just going to show you guys what me and my daughter did for cleaning the GPUs that I'm going to put on eBay to sell. Back in March of 2022 and throughout 2023, I was able to get 8 3070 Founders Editions, 8 3060 Ti Founders Editions, and I got 8 6700 XTs that I got back from the hosting company that I had them at because they're no longer doing GPUs. So I have cleaned them up. We took them outside, used alcohol on them and blew them out, and now we're getting ready to put them on eBay and put them for sale. It's kind of a sad day, but it's something I need to do, and I still have plenty of things on and working here at home. I do have a lot of 4000 series, so just getting rid of the 3000. So sit back and enjoy, and you can see my daughter and me cleaning the GPUs. Thanks. Show the meaning of a dream so bright, until it's rocked in the neon lights. Came back home to a sunny sight, basement swimming in a faucet light. All the rigs won't hum, they won't glow. Crypto dreams sinking way down low. Buckets and towels ain't fixing the flow. Basement blues, man, they sure do grow. The Asic drowned in a watery grave. No money, gold, no fortunes to save. Electric sparks like a thunderous wave. This crypto king's now a cleaning slave. All the rigs won't hum, they won't glow. Crypto dreams sinking way down low. Buckets and towels ain't fixing the flow. Basement blues, man, they sure do grow. The Asic drowned in a watery grave. No money, gold, no fortunes to save. Electric sparks like a thunderous wave. This crypto king's now a cleaning slave. All the rigs won't hum, they won't glow. Crypto dreams sinking way down low. Buckets and towels ain't fixing the flow. Basement blues, man, they sure do grow. When my home was begging for upgrades, the blockchain's cruel, the price I pay. Now I'm stuck with this mob charade. All the rigs won't hum, they won't glow. Crypto dreams sinking way down low. Buckets and towels ain't fixing the flow. Basement blues, man, they sure do grow. Days I'm swimming in a lake of tears. Crypto rig shorted after all these years. Buckets and mops ain't saving the day. Water's laughing, washing dreams away. I'm the Joker Miner, my cards in hand. But the floods, the punchline didn't go as planned. Fans won't spin and the power's gone. A soggy empire crumbled by dawn. All the rigs won't hum, they won't glow. Crypto dreams sinking way down low. Buckets and towels ain't fixing the flow. Basement blues, they sure do grow. Tried duct tape, prayers, and a desperate plea. But silence mocking was laughing at me. My digital gold turned to rust and steam. Guess my blockchain stuck in a watery dream. Oh, maybe this flood's a sign. A twist of fate telling me to stop before it's too late. But the ledger calls, I can't let it go. Even as the waters rise and flow. All the rigs won't hum, they won't glow. Crypto dreams sinking way down low.
Every loss he sees as a win. Fortune favors the ones who dare. In the chaos, he's always there. Crypto spins and coins collide. In his world, there's nowhere to hide. Mining coins and playing the game. Joker miners chasing fame. Crypto spins and coins collide. In his world, there's nowhere to hide. Mining coins and playing the game. Joker